Hello, my name is Carlo Doliner. Today I'll be showing lab 6.
So we begin first with the functional code. So first we're gonna look at how the outputs look when we run the simulation. So right now we can see that the waveform is already done first, but I'm gonna run it again. So we have our outputs right now put into ITV, some even TV and some out TV. And then when we simulate, we run O. We can see that first here in the terminal we get run O and we don't get any error messages, which indicates that the code is functioning well. And we can also see that in the waveform, we're getting a similar result. So we're getting the expected result. So that's it for the first part. Okay, so we begin with the part two. We can see that if I open the code and we go to the original code, I have replaced this AND, the XOR, sorry, to an AND. So this should now create a broken code, basically. So just to double check, I'm gonna save this file and I'm gonna create a symbol file, and it shows no error, so it's working fine. I'm gonna open, just verify here that everything is compiled properly, and then everything is okay. I have already my broken simulation file open. And it just goes a little bit messy first. So now I have my waveform. I can add some my variables into it. And right now we can see them here in the waveform. If I go ahead and then start simulate this, we should see the errors pop off right now. So we can see that for each iteration we get an error basically because the code is non-functional. So we can go right back at the beginning and see how it works out. So when we try to run it, it just starts right ahead from the head start, just showing errors from each value. Some of the values might be shown as correct here because coincidentally it reports an output that it's correct. So this is helpful to the programmer doing this because he can show like a trend to maybe figure out what's wrong with the circuit.